Basag na laro na.
Tugal na.
Alam mo ba? Hindi. Alam din kasi pila lang yun.
Ay, feel ni Mami. VIP siya. Daddy, happy birthday!
Hindi ako pinapila doon. Kasi ang daming pila. Dito ako pinapula. Yung panay mo.
Ako ko. Tataka pa ba?
VIP ka nga.
Ay, merong libo-pay bukas. Dalawa lang.
Kaming dalawa ni Cheska.
Libre, dalawa. Ang libre daw, Mark, 6 years old. Hindi above.
Ay, sorry.
Bakit VIP?
VIP yun.
Si VIP.
Kaya nga, hindi dito na kami ng side.
Bakit upgrade ka ba?
Ano ba? Hindi yung upgrade, pero isa lang ang kama. Ako na umayaw. Kasi isa lang kama. Sabi sa inyo, mali eh. 606.
Ito, yun.
Sa yung card.
Sa'yo. Ay, hawak
Si Daddy mag-open, si Daddy mag-open. Si Daddy mag-open.
Quiet. Sabi mo,
Ano ba yan?
ano lang yan?
Pwede ba dyan na lang kami?
Walang papasok ng chinela sa bathroom.
Ay, yung bag dito.
Uy, si VIP mo na mauna.
Papiliin nyo ng kapatsakunan yung VIP.
Uy, papiliin nyo ng kama yung VIP daw.
Asan yung maleta? Iniwan sa
Tara na? Tara na, tatay. Okay ka na? Kain na tayo? Ha? Okay ka na? Nakapahiga namin na. Galing ko ba?
Yung nanay ah.
Dahil yung ano nga, yung mga bote nyo. Huwag magsama dyan Mark yung bote mo. Hiwalay mo na para...
Birthday celebrant. Ikaw ng tatay, bakit mo yung bukas na bigay namin?
Ay.
Saan yung mga pag-uwi?
Kaya magkano na kayo uno na diesel? Parang 90... 94 yata na 94. Kasi kayo... Kakuha mo na kasi yun.
Hi.
Ay karating na. Ay karating na.
Yan na.
Nakakahiya yung pag nagkakasin.
Hi. Ito yung camera mo na yun.
Sana toto. gonna talk.
Cheska. Cheski, Boleski.
Elevator.
Ah.
Pag ano, pag mo na lang. Things that will open in the bathroom. Dad. Gusto daw mo dati sa bedroom?
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Hi, Chelsea. Yana. Chelsea.
Eight seconds left. Okay, my turn. Okay, Yana's turn. Okay.
Yeah.
And then back flip.
Say what?
I taught her how to make someone drown. Oh, a doll. Like you do that and then underwater and then do that if like mo sila. Tapos if they're gonna punch you, you just go underwater because the pressure is bad there. Pressure, bad burning pressure or good being pressure? I think someone call also.
Again.
Naabot sa mula. Taga sa... Tigain mo pa yung... Tayo ko lang. Ah! Ikaw. O, pigain mo pati diaphragm mo tsaka lungs mo. Oh, sis. Diaphragm mo, pigain mo.
Hindi
KJ.
seryoso mahal.
I like yours also.
I like both.
This one. And mine says fruities.
Pati kala ko tayo ka.
Baho eh.
Take your own medicine.
Kahit yung tayo ko ayaw eh.
Ready for the game? Guys, these are the prizes. Look at the prizes. Tuwa ko sa kanya. Kanina wala ka reaction eh. Chesky! Look!
Sa akin si Snoopy ah.
No, si Sophie. Sumakain eh.
Pero nilunok ni Yana, tapos tumayo ulit siya, binasa niya kay Cheska. Tapos
Eh.
nilumog ni Cheska yung tae ni Yana.
Yeah.
Sinuka niya sa bibig ni Ish habang tutulog.
Ay!
Ako lang ba? Or red yun?
Nagka-sunset na. That's sunset.
I love sunset. I'm not I'm very good.
Yan.
Have you ever experienced...
One,
Ano
two.
ba?
Yung maganda naman ang i-picture.
Have you ever experienced na
Meron chatting.
Ano
Look
ba,
at each other.
guys? Look at each other, pero ganito ko.
Smile.
Ano nyo? Nagulat ako pag naigo sa screen ko. Hoy! Sabihin nyo muna kung sabihin nyo muna yung mga ano nyo, yung mga beep nyo. Chesky.
Adam and Eve.
No, yung beep mo, yung...
Hallelujah! Thank you.
Yan ah.
What's that called?
Tatagal lang, hindi sumasagot, hindi na niya alam.
Sana.
Hosanna! Okay, and the winner for the first game is Ate Ish. She needs to pick. Oh, come here, you pick. No, mamili ka. Isa lang. At isi ko yung first dib. Mas gusto mo yan kaysa dito?
Yes.
Okay.
I know he's like rock with his staff to
Hindi, mamay lalabas ko yun. Lalabas ko na.
to get some water for the Israelites, and then yeah, I didn't hear him going, and also I read the whole book of Exodus.
Wow.
So yeah,
Final answer?
yeah.
You're up for the next round. You're correct.
Ko before siya patayin ni King something bago ano yung ulo niya. Kasi alam ko sinabi sa kanya ni Jesus kasi nga close silang dalawa. So I think yung ano yung second? Yung wilderness honey thing, ayun yung life for me.
That's Judas thing.
What?
Because remember what? Nanay said what? The answer.
What's the answer?
Well, it's the silver coins, I think.
Why?
I don't know. That's Judas thing. Like see, betrayed Jesus.
Who betrayed Jesus? Okay, you're up for the next round.
Yes. I know the lie because he did. That wasn't his first miracle.
Yeah, he did a lot more.
His first miracle was turning water into wine.
Okay. And the lie is?
His first miracle is raising Lazarus to the dead.
Okay, you're up for the final round.
Yeah. Okay,
Yung isang John kapatid yun ni
you're starving. He'll turn some rocks to bread, and Jesus say no. And the other one, I think it's the height said. The devil said, "Come on, jump off." So, and the angel will carry you and save you and the miracle. But Jesus said no. And the other one, Daddy say, "I will good care if you turn all the buildings to gold." I think that it's good care and healthy. And Jesus say no. That's it.
Okay, so you really know Jesus. Ma, harap ka. Harap ka. Hi.
Hi.
Yana, close the door.
Ano sila? Malis na? Pumunta sa patay?
Funny and faithful and warming heart.
Warming heart. Warming.
Warming heart.
Very good.
I don't know to this guy. And he's also
Ay, listen.
Listening.
Louder, Yana. How about Nanay?
Well, Nana is nice and pretty, and also to ask other people if they're sad or and pray to Cheska, ako, si and everyone.
Thank you, Yana.
Okay, next is Cheska. Cheska,
Listen.
Cheska is faithful for me because when we are babies, wait, because we're faithfully and is and each other, and I can't believe that I didn't know that me and Cheska were Valentine's. So she's nice, she's careful, and all.
Thank you,
She's so
Yana.
smart.
And she's so smart. You're very nice and smart, though.
I mean, smartest person I never met.
Ah, you're the smartest person she ever met.
Not only in
That teacher.
It's not teacher.
no, Cheska.
Oh, you're the smartest and nicest and the most
I didn't
beautiful.
even know the dates for my channel.
Okay, yung sinasabi niya.
Everything, Nanay. What I like about Tatay is everything. What I like about Nanay is everything too. So sila everything. What I like about Yana is that she's really responsible. Yeah.
She's?
Forgot her headband. She know it. She.
Oh, you're responsible about your stuff.
That's all.
Okay.
What I like about Yana, nothing. But about about Nanay.
Not this.
Ouch. What I like about Yana is she is I don't know. No, she is what do you call this? What do you want it? What do you want me to tell you?
No. You can just tell everything.
I'll tell you everything. Ang tawag doon?
Tagal naman.
What I like about Yana is that she is she's so kind.
Oh, she's kind.
Yeah, like you're praying for Papa Lo,
Yeah.
even if you don't, if he's far away. And when Cheska is sad, you are sad.
Yeah. Nakiloob yung pang ano mo, wag yung labas.
When we are scolding Cheska, you are the
You're
one crying for
crying.
Cheska.
I remember I cried at the car.
Yeah, that's why you are so kind. Are you happy that I said that you're kind?
And I said,
Are you crying? Why?
Maybe you would. It's okay.
I'm crying from happiness. Okay?
For?
I'm crying of happiness.
Oh, it's tears of joy.
Next is
Tears of happiness.
How about next is Cheska?
Sige pa, sagyan mo pa siya ng ano.
And-
Tatay is not yet done.
And but what I love most about Yana is I think you will be in heaven because you're like an angel with a big nose. No, I'm just kidding.
You have a big nose.
Yeah, I know. You will be an angel.
Angel?
Angel.
Oh, I thought you said angel.
What's Digel?
Are you crying again?
And
Tears of joy
God
daw.
will be happy if you will cry.
Cheska.
What I love about Jezebel is she is. What I love about Jessica is she's always farting.
Wow, I think that's not me.
Oh yeah, no too. She's a fart queen. Oh yeah. She is loving, responsible, and
How did
she's
I
turning
become
into an
responsible?
independent person.
Yeah, she's independent.
And protecting yourself. Forgot to. You forgot protecting yourself. Is so.
What?
I forgot. I meant forgot. Oh.
Trusky, Ishi, Hannah. Picture.
I think it's kind of weird because how much milk?
Really pop. Yana.
That's only a decoration. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm not done.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kailangan marinig yung taga-sunod pa.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Nanay, he can walk on water.
Chesky, what?
Wait, can he walk on water?
Sabi ko kunin nila
Can you test
Sabi ko
that?
kunin nila yung 20 pesos. Sabi ko natin.
Ay, ipan ka na ng cake mo na to, o para maiyan sa mga.
Mami, gusto mo doon na tayo kumain sa kung saan tayo kakain. Doon na lang ikat yung cake.
Pero maganda kasi picture na sa
Gusto
solid.
mo mag-ari? Yan.
Tubig mo ito.
Ice cream, siya ice cream sa labas.
Sinong gusto ng ice cream sa Pandes sa Monay?
Eh, doon sa labas, paglabas.
Hindi, mainit eh. Wala nang upuan eh.
Kami na rin ba yung ice cream?
Hindi, hindi. Pero nandyan lagi yun.
Lagi nga nandun.
Sinong gusto? Ice cream Monay.
Kasi kung ako maayos, paano kung takuan ko bara-bara na ngayon, mawama. Dito kasi may
Yan nga kasi agad iniisip mo eh.
kasi na-hide sa market ko.
Tuturuan mo yung tao.
Magabay ulit kayo.
Tawagan natin mamaya kung Tawagan natin mamaya yung KBM.
Sabi si Chesky, Yana sumisigaw dito. Hindi niya alam kung sino kausap. Love you!
Aray ko! Nakita ko di ba kawa? Zoom in eh.
Ingay niyo. Ito si
Guys?
Mama.
Guys, medyo itong katabi ko. Katabi ko.
Magkawag cellphone na.
Hi! I'm picturing the view.
Hi.
What's something that's not
We're back and back.
Saan si Ish? Sino ba kayo ni Ish?
Mommy!
Where's Ishi?
It's right there.
Ano ba si Ishi?
Someone's going down for a free ice cream. Happy.
Hey, hey, teach me how to do it. Hey,
Oh my God, 15 minutes na.
they be like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to? My ice cream.
Bakit ka maganda?
Because man ako kay nanay, mommy, mapi, mga face mother, mga face mother's mother, and mga face mother's mother.
Asa man? Ganda naman ni girl.
Ikaw lang ang pipiliin. Oh, wala nang iba. Ikaw ang pa.
Mami! Mami!
Hindi mo siya over.
Sunit ate. Ano yung tawa mo kanina?
Ha?
Gusto mo na? Sige, kain.
Ano kami na kain na tayo?
Hindi naman ice ko to.
Wala itong pistachio.
Tingin mo ng cereal mo.
Mami, picture kayo dito.
Pwede na ako kumain.
Gusto mo?
Pwede na kumain.
Daddy, wala ko.
Hi guys, Daddy. Picture, smile.
Grabe, tumalon ako sa bathtub. Napakainit naman pala nagkikaroon.
Sabi mo gusto mo mainit.
Grabe. Inuklak na araw.
Mami,
Ako naman yung nakakabad dun sa
Wala ako shades pa naman. Dala shades ko.
I like to eat, 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 eat.
At ikaw di kasama sa video. Paano pag tanda mo? Ay, wala ako dahil.
Magam. Magam, magam, gam. Magam, gam.
Tapos nga na. Malunok mo yan. Buka ka.
Where do I put this?
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Pagbabay ko.
Shaskir. Nadala mo naman.
Ay, no, may ganyan ang oras. Nakakuha kami yan eh. Hirap yan, avocado.
Mami, 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 mami. Lakad na kayo, lakad.
Guys, just unconditional.
Tapos kamusta?
Si girl.
Di ba nga
Well, all of us are talking.
Si Mama Pay.
nanalo daw siya.
Sinisisi yung ano, yung
Machine.
kabilang.
Boom!
Nakaupo siya dito po. Ay, gabala lumipis sa kabila. Tapos may umupo. Tapos biglang parang nag-jackpot. Tumuturo ba sa machine nun? Ito kanina pa kayo inaano na ito eh. Eh, minakaw. Ginagano dinuduro niya.
Kulang ma. Ganun. Minsan nanalo siya 4,000 J. Hindi ko kinuha yun.
Ish? Yes. At I felt like
Oo,
nabasa
sa-
tapos nahulog. Mami, kakakain lang natin.
699.
Mami, kakakain lang daw natin.
Mami, tingnan niyo po kaya para alam niyo yung logo.
Teka lang, 699 lunch. Ay, then, binigyan ko lang.
No, Daddy!
Ayan na. Sabi pa naman nila di parehas yung pinakilitino daw pinakaayon. Play? Mayos ka, huwag ka gumadyan.
Kasi kayo yun eh.
Guys, si Chess ka.
Napansin ko.
Ha?
Completed na.
Sabi mo, paano yung ano, confirm?
Yay! Confirm!
Ay, ba't parang kang damit? Ang ganda. Parang kang damit?
Mm. Mi, oo na nga. Picture ka na, Mi. Amir, picture, smile. Dito ka, dito ka.
Yung luma ko, Jay, napunta naman kay mama. Ang tagal din ang buhay nun kay. Ay, oo. Tingnan mo, may ganda.
Hi. Dito lang kayo, dito lang kayo.
Let's go! Let's go! Two, one, go! Nakatingin sa gilid.
Oh.
Cheche.
Ganon. Smile.
Hindi ka maging editor.
Smile. Hi. 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 Chusky. Trigo.
Hi, Edsa.
Kasi mami, andito patay ka na. You already know who it is!
No, we don't. Who's that, bro? I don't know. This guy is way too happy.
I cannot wait, I cannot nay.
Kita kaya ako? Kita kaya ako dun mga ano?
Hi.
Hi.
Good night.
Good night. Huh?
Tatay. Busy siya.
Mag-swimming si Cheska?
Swimming ka ba? Boring.
Pwede ka mag-journal sa ano?
Hi.
Tingnan dito, Jay.
Thank you for the food.
Hi. Hear you. Tell me that ball's working. I wanna fart. Allowed.
Bagal.
At I gotta eat. Yeah, you're doing something for strong. Gusto? Parang ganun. Parang di mo na nakita. Gamit na ang ganun lang. Parang girl is like a video game where you can switch over. I could love like
Ano, pero makapit na.
Uy.